What is up, everybody? Stardust Other Got Kicks. Here, obviously. I got a video about, like, I guess mini restoration on these slides. You see, it's muddy on this right pair. See that? I'll tell you the story about how this happened. Alright, so it was a day or two after it rained about a month ago, and I was cutting the grass, I think. Explained the grass particles along this brittle mud that dried, and I've been waiting for a month so the mud can be brittle. Oh my god, brittle, so it'll be easier to clean. But right now I think I'm going to make this mud fall off outside, dried mud, and then heat it up with some Crepitech. Not sponsored, by the way. Hit me up, Crep. So let's get into. So here outside, got the slides with me, and let's get started taking out the dry mud. So. Oh, okay. I'll come back to you with more progress. Yeah. Alright, so I think I got most of the dry mud out. And here's the white pair. Here's the. Alright, so we're inside in my room. We got ourselves the crepe brush. I wrote something that's midsole or so. This way I can identify between both of my brushes. So we're gonna add some crepe into this. I did add some water to the bristles so it can, you know, like make bubbles and shit. But it's not gonna make bubbles because this is crepe. This is not soap. This Crepitech. So it's only me, so I don't have nobody to hold the camera. I'm just going to put this down and clean them and show you the results. Right, so here are the results. I cleaned the midsoles, haven't cleaned the outsoles. Alright, so the midsoles, I think I did a decent job with these on the midsole. I went over it 2 times. No, I didn't go over the strap 2 times, but I did have some scuffs right here. I took it out, you know. Crepitech, they got your back. Not sponsored by them. Again. So yeah, my white part, I have not started on these. I'm going to finish the black ones first, and then what's wrong with my tongue? Oh wait, I don't even know what this is. I'm not sure if I can take it out. If I can't take it out, just paint it with my paint. Angeles.com. Yeah, guys. Let me finish the black pair. I'll show you the results of the black pair. Alright, so I tried to clean the outsole as best as I could, but I took out the mud with chopsticks. What the fuck? Fucking toothpicks. Alright? Proof. Alright, it won't focus. Alright. So, actually, I think I broke the traction when I was slamming my sandal into that concrete. So that's there forever. There's nothing I can do about it. But it's just the traction part doesn't matter really. Yeah, so here's final product for this one. You can compare if you want to by, you know, the end of the video. I mean, like, right. So basically both of these got the same amount of beadage, so you can see more on these because these are white, obviously. So this was the before, and this was the after. Right, I'm getting to again cleaning this part. What is this? Right, I'm getting to clean this part, the midsole, and I'll come at you with progress. Okay. All right, so I got these clean. I did the strap, the midsole. Nice. And that Mr. stain is gone. You know what? Crap. So let me get into the outsole and I'll show you the final product. Maybe an on foot, maybe with some sock action. So yeah, guys. So here's the final result. I am pretty proud of Crep, to be honest. Crep is good. Taking out everything, bro. This was a pretty heavy job because it's mud. And like dry mud doesn't, like, this brush is supposed to be for soft uses. That's why I have this sole brush. And so this is not supposed to take out everything. That's why I use toothpicks. Not chopstick, toothpicks. And here's the job on the outsole. Nice. And that part from this shoe, that is traction lost because this part doesn't have it. But yeah, this is pretty Crep. I am proud. For if you do want to buy Crep, so like this package is $10 to $12, depends how you buy it. I'll try to leave a link somewhere around the description box. This is where the Crep Protect travel kit comes. It has the hard case, Crep embossed in there. Yeah, it has a yellow sip, and it has this cleaning cloth. It says Crep stitched in there. I have a Crep which lasts like, I think here it said like 50 pairs to use. And here's the brush. I use this brush for uppers. This is midsole brush. Of course, in the slides we didn't have any uppers to clean, so yeah, $10 to $12, but depends where you buy it, plus shipping in Texas. I'm proud. I'm very proud. I don't think I can do on feet, but if I can, then I will. So yeah, I'll leave a link down in the description where you can buy it. Thanks for watching. yeah, I'll see you guys. So follow my Twitter. I think, hold on, let me check on my Twitter, my Instagram, and all the social medias. Let me check what they are and I'll show you. Thanks. I'll see you with the computer. Alright, so I have my social media here. Don't worry about those lines also because my computer, I'm recording for the computer because I don't have any type of iPhone recorder or whatever. Okay. So here's my my Twitter handle, Stardust Kicks. Why the fuck is my hand shaking? Okay. You know, I got 124 following, 30 followers, 2 likes. It's okay, it's okay. But hopefully we can make that number go higher, up the bar, triple digits. Make me get that certified sign. So you know, follow me. I will update when I'm making videos or uploading videos, or when the video is uploaded. And here were some shoes that I was selling my LeBron James 12 weeks 180. Alright, there they are in the picture. And I'm selling my breads, 11 loaves. Yeah. If you want prices, I got my eBay on the description. I don't think it's on the description. Go check that description down. I'll leave my Twitter handle and everything there as well. Here's my Instagram. That shoe game though. Let you memorize that. 130 followers. Follow me, obviously. You know, my YouTube channel is right there. I still need to edit it in this YouTube channel, my sneaker channel. So yeah, post some stuff. I just enter giveaways because, you know, everybody wants free stuff. Dr. Pepper's life, by the way. Yeah, you know, follow me on Instagram and follow me on what's his name? Twitter. Alright. Follow me on Twitter. And you can also follow my Snapchat. I'll leave a picture after this clip. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Follow. You know, recommend me to your friends. Yeah guys, remember I'll be posting stuff in my Twitter, so you can know when a video is uploaded, or you know, whatever. And yeah guys, Snapchat maybe, if I can. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Like, you don't have to comment, and you know, share again. I need a new outro. Alright, peace out guys.